How to uninstall TeraBox app. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. First things first, you can just simply remove the app by simply long tapping on it and then tapping on remove app there and delete app option. After you do that, your app will get deleted, and it's that simple. But the next method is you'll have to go to your settings. After you go to your settings, go to general. Now let me show you how you can get there. So go to general here and then go to iPhone storage. After you do that, just go and search TeraBox. So after you open TeraBox, let me do that first. So after you find TeraBox, open it up. And here, what you can do is simply tap on delete app and then confirm. And there you go. It will delete it after a few seconds and it's gone. So that is how you delete TeraBox app on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.